So I have this Subaru Fob and I'm trying to unlock the car and that doesn't seem to work. The battery is dead in this. And I'm going to show you how to open the car and turn it on in this situation. So the first thing that you do is you press this notch and then you take it out. That takes out this key. This is the key that goes in. But remember one thing, if you put this in, the alarm will go on. It'll start. The security alarm in the car is not disabled. And I'll show you how to exactly go ahead and start the car with the minimum alarm ringing time to not scare the neighbors or your own family members. Okay, so first things first, keep this because you'll need this. Even though there is no battery in this, you need this and this on the start knob so it turns on. So keep that handy and then turn this on, and this is going to start the alarm when I open the door. So as soon as this starts, do this. And then press. So that will turn on the car. So I suggest replace the battery for this one as soon as you can, because even this has a finite life and there may be a time where you'll not just have any battery to even be able to turn on the car. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for this one. All right. If you like this video and this was helpful, please like, subscribe, comment on this channel.